Happy Easter, everyone. Of course, God is always alive. So let's always celebrate that. And thank God for all the blessings He bestows on us. Ganda, sunrise. First time na nakapang beach kami. Kasi eto, hindi naman ako nagsuswim dito because pang jogging ko to eh. Ngayon lang namin gagawin ito. Walk fast. Careful. Ito siya. It's just a 3 to 5 minute walk. Actually, sa likod niyan is Oslob Village na, pero walang direct na daan. Kaya dumaan pa kami sa simbahan. At the beach. At least hindi super high tide. This is exciting. Hi. Wanna take pictures muna? Ah, there's another beach there, baby. The beach there is wider if you like.
It's wide.
Further to the other side. This is so nice. Imagine, naglalakad lang kami doon every morning. Tapos sobrang ganda pala dito. Likod niyan is, dito ako nag-surf, nag-paddle board like years ago when we first lived here. Tapos hindi na siya masyadong natuloy because we got busy na, wala akong katulong magbuhat because Dada is always asleep whenever I'm awake. Pero ang ganda niya. We saw a starfish. This is so nice. And the sun is just there. It's not even, it's 6:04. Kita ba? 6:04. Oh, I love this. Sayang, Dada is missing the sunrise beach frolic thing. Let's go farther. Our stuff is there. And we are here in the middle of the ocean at 6 in the morning.
I'm scared of what we see.
You're wearing, ano naman, we don't have aqua shoes kasi matagal na kami hindi nakabili. Pinaglakihan na ni Tas yung aqua shoes niya. They're already small for him. So sabi ko, just wear our slippers and clip them with your toes. Kasi Hans said, marami raw sea urchins dito. You'll find out soon enough. What is that? Like brown stuff. Leaves. Sun. Look. Yikes, the grass is getting thicker. Let's not go there. We might step on the sea urchin. So let's find the place where you want to swim. That white spot na lang over there, Tazi. Well, I think it is. Yeah, it looks like one. Actually, the reason why we're doing this is because lately I've been so stressed. This is like the first Holy Week in a long time that we stayed home. Because usually we would travel, it'll be fun. Ngayon, it's just work, work, work. I'm working as a VA with my 10 clients. And then I help Dada out pa with the lodge concerns. So I've just been so stressed lately. Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Everyone's on vacation except us. Although I agreed naman to him to do this because we have other plans and we want to save more for those plans. Kaya lang yun nga, I ended up being so stressed about it. Kaya sabi ko, Tazi, let's do this morning beach thing. We've been wanting to do it since we started living here in Oslo like 4 years ago. So now that's what we're doing. Happy Easter again, everyone. Sayang lang, Hans is missing all this kasi ang body clock niya lately, he sleeps at 3 AM, wakes up around noontime or after lunch. Ako naman, lately ang body clock ko, I sleep in the afternoon na gusto kong ipaabot sana hanggang 6 PM man lang para I wake up at dawn. Pero lately nga, I sleep at 3 in the afternoon, I wake up mga 9 or 10. So ganitong oras, 6 AM, this is just like my afternoon break. And now we're using this time to have fun here at the beach. Happy Easter again. There's my baby swimming. Okay guys, I may be an introvert but I'm a daldal. And once I start opening my mouth, as long as there's someone there willing to listen, eto no choice, it's a camera. So no choice siya kundi i-film tong mga sinasabi ko. So, ano ba sabihin ko? Actually wala, gusto ko lang dumalda because I haven't been doing this in a while.
I found this starfish on the sand.
Wow.
It's
So
a little small.
Yeah, small. Nice one. Actually, just somewhere right across that side is Oslo New Village already. Kaya lang since hindi kami beachfront, there's a street and you have to cross the street, then there are houses and other resorts already, other lodging places. We really need to walk like 3 to 5 minutes walk lang naman. Go pass by the church and then the park and then ayun na yung seawall and then here na sa beach, di ba? Sobrang beach vibes. Na ngayon ko lang talaga super na-appreciate na ang lapit lang namin sa dagat. I think kasi, di ba parang pagbahay mo na doon ka na nakatira. Parang before, when I used to live in Alabang, hindi talaga ako lumalabas ng bahay. I only go out when I'm on the way to the airport, to catch a flight, to travel somewhere else. Pero kung sa Alabang, Muntinlupa lang, hindi talaga ako palalabas. Unless groceries, uwi, which I do like once or twice a month. So, ganun din na nangyari dito sa Oslo. When I'm at the lodge, I'm just there in my office working or sa bedroom, bonding with my family at the resto, eating, yun lang. Lalabas kami to do the walk, the biking, the hiking, kung ano mga physical activity na pwede. Pero other than that, hindi ko talaga na-enjoy to the fullest ang Oslo, especially where we live in Poblacion, which has this kind of beach, di ba? So, ngayong na-try ko na siya after 4 years to enjoy the beach here. Yung dati kasi sa bahay ng sister ni Hans, iba naman yon, beach house kasi yon, and then the beach is just right there. So, okay siya. Pwede mong araw-arawan. Pero siguro magsasawa ka rin. Ito kasi you need to walk pa. 3 to 5 minutes walk lang naman. Pero, it's still a blessing. Right, Tazi?
Yeah.
There's my Taz. Whoop. Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna stop this video na kasi ganito lang naman ang gagawin namin buong morning hanggat hindi pa masyado masakit sa balat ang sun. Mag-enjoy lang muna kami dito and then pag napagod na, kain konti, tambay sa beach konti, and then go back home na, and then finish my other work, then wind down. Ewan ko kung magkikita pa kami ni Hans, kung magising siya before I sleep. Tapos babalitaan lang namin siya. Magugulat na lang siya. Nasa Facebook niya na to. Pinaggagawa namin ni Taz. Ciao and happy Easter again.